Excellency.
Okay, please. Thank you. Let me speak.
Excellency, you were in court again today.
Yes.
To witness the proceedings. What is your assessment of this?
We have concluded the matter today, and we are quite hopeful. I mean, we have confidence in the judiciary. I believe that if we didn't have a judiciary, we would be inventing one. Of course, for a country to be peaceful, you need a judiciary. And we have confidence in our judiciary. We've been here. We have marshaled out our points. The other side has also marshaled out their point. It is now left for us to wait for the judgment. And we are hoping that the law is on our side very clearly. We believe that justice will be done even in this case.
Thank you. Thank you, Excellency.
The lawyer.
Thank you, Excellency.